Hi guys, welcome back to Flower Pot Bricks. Today I'm going to be looking at the Lego Sunflowers 40524. So I'm looking at adding to my ever-growing collection today. I have some of the original bouquets of flowers in here. There's a wildlife bouquet, there's cherry blossom. I actually already have a sunflower. It goes in lovely with the rest of my flowers. These sunflowers seem to be built a little differently. I'm going to have a go, see what they like to build, see what the final design is like, and see which one I prefer. Here we go guys, original sunflower that I had, and this is the new one that I have just built.
So I actually had a problem with the audio feedback on this video and I've had to re-record it all, unfortunately. I enjoyed this build. It was quick and easy, very simple to follow, I suppose as you'd expect for its age rating, which I think is 8. So the old sunflower is from the original flower bouquet that I had. The stem is a lot taller, it's perfect for vases, not as much detail, and it can be very flimsy. To be honest, bits are always falling off when I walk past. The new one, it has more detail. The flower head has extra parts that you can see there. Very clever. It's got a shorter stem for smaller glasses, but also the stem is made of adjustable, removable parts. So it can be as long or as short as you want it to be. The colour is slightly different to the original sunflower. The stem is also thicker, so it doesn't feel as breakable or flimsy. For the age rating, that makes perfect sense, as the flower bouquet I think is 18 plus, whereas this one, as I said before, is an 8 plus. You get 2 sunflowers with the sunflower set that I've built today. The leaves are in different places. Other than that, the models are exactly the same. I do like to keep my smaller flowers in small glass vases, so I will probably remove the leaves so I can do this. This is why, in my opinion, this new sunflower I have is best. It's bright, realistic, adjustable, and I would say that is the reason why you would buy a Lego flower in the first place, except of course the fact that it will live forever.
What's your favourite design? Is it the sunflower? Is it a different flower? Let me know. Thanks for watching Flower Pot Bricks. Please like and subscribe to see more from me in the future. Anything that you would like me to build, please let me know. I have got some exciting builds coming up and I hope you continue to watch. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.